Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does restrict mean on Instagram. So, let's get started. When you restrict someone on Instagram, you're limiting their ability to interact with you and your content. This means that they won't be able to see your comments on other people's posts, and their comments on your posts will be hidden from the public. They also won't be able to see when you're online or if you've read their messages. There are a few reasons why you might want to restrict someone on Instagram. If you want to restrict someone on Instagram, follow these steps. Go to the person's profile page which want to restrict. Tap the three dots button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap Restrict option in the menu. Tap Restrict account to confirm. And done. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.